So the purpose of today's event is to bring together mid-sized businesses from across the East and West Midlands to learn from them what they need, what support we can give them, to help them to learn from each other's success, and to really get them thinking about exporting, thinking about new markets and pushing them to grow their exports for their business.
There's a large volume of export potential for these medium-sized businesses. They've come through the stages of growing their company, finding the actual finance for their business. They've actually got a good base of employees. They've developed their employees into the stages of knowing who their best people are. They've identified what export markets they actually need to be addressing. They're past the stage of the small growth companies, and these are the people that can actually take exporting that stage further.
I wanted to come here really to get a bit more of a flavour, fuller understanding of everything that UKTI offers, as well as have the opportunity to meet some other people that are exporting, hear some of the great stories this morning from some of those case studies, people that have done great things, businesses from this area and businesses that have done a great job exporting, using the help from UKTI and really making things happen, making their exports get going.
I was chatting to Gary from the Russian arm, and he's based over there, and he can give us some great insight into payment systems, speed of delivery. So it's going to be useful to get some insight into those kind of things, logistical things, but also brands and trends within within each country.
It's about, although we're a global brand and we have got global presence, there's still markets and new markets that we haven't got exposure in, and like anything that's new, you need introductions and you need advice as to who you need to speak to and how you go about implementing it, and that's what the UK Trade and Investment have helped us with.
We're working much more with mid-sized businesses because that's where we see there's real opportunity for growth and to grow UK exports and help us get to our vision of doubling exports by 2020.
If you engage with government, we can open doors and we can unblock issues for you at the highest level, and may increase your chances of being able to win those contracts and in turn expand your supply base and exporting abroad.
I highly recommend UKTI for anyone else starting to export. The reality is UKTI have lots of the answers to a lot of the simple questions that actually you may not know you even need to ask.